Hello, this is math lesson 3-3 for Monday, November 2nd, 2020. If you need to pause the video at any point to answer any questions your student may have, you may do so. Let's get started.
You can use doubles facts to help you add. Let's look at some doubles facts that you may know. Here are ways we can show these facts. How do the connecting cubes show the doubles facts? Each cube tower shows one of the addends. How can you count by twos to help you find the sum of each doubles fact? You can count by twos as many times as one of the addends. You can represent the doubles fact 6 plus 6 the same way. How many cubes are in each tower? Select your answer.
Okay, it asks how many cubes are in each tower. Well, if you count one tower, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This tower, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these two are the same. That's why it's called a doubles fact. So both have 6.
There are 6 cubes in each tower. How can you find how many cubes are in both towers?
How would you find out how many cubes are in both towers? Well, you would just count up both towers. And if you count them up, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
You can count the cubes by twos. There are 12 cubes. What do you notice about the sum for this doubles fact? It is twice or double the number for each addend. Now look at this set of cubes. How many cubes are in the first tower? How many cubes are in the second tower? There are 6 cubes in the first tower and 5 cubes in the second tower. Is 6 plus 5 equals 11 a doubles fact? Explain.
If this was a doubles fact, both addends would be the same. If you look, the two addends are different. And if you look at the towers, you see that this tower has one more cube than this one. So no, there's no way that this could be a doubles fact.
No, this is not a doubles fact because the addends are not the same number.
This isn't a doubles fact.
Now you know how to use doubles facts to help you add.
Okay, so today we are going to be talking about doubles facts. Now, you need to get your math book out and turn to page 167, still volume 1, and make sure that you have a pencil out. Okay, if you're on page 167, it should look like this. Let's start by reading the directions. Carlos and Elisa each have 6 books. If they put their books together, how many books will they have in all? Show your thinking below. Okay, so they both have 6 books. So you can either draw 6 books here and here, or you can write 6 B's here and here, whichever one is fastest for you. Okay, so they both have 6 books. So I'll draw 6 books for Elisa right here. And then I will draw 6 books on the other side for Carlos. And 6. Okay. Now, if you look at the very bottom, there's an equation they want us to fill in. All right, so Alicia had 6 and Carlos has 6. So our equation would be 6 plus 6. Now, if you remember from the video, they gave us the answer for 6 plus 6. Or if you know this in your brain, you can write your answer. Or if you want to use your number line or number grid to figure this out, you can use those too. Or you can just count up how many B's there are for books. Okay, so we can count by ones or we can count by twos. Let's try counting by twos. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. Now, could you count these up by ones and still get 12? Yes. Whatever's easiest for you. Okay, if you are finished with that page, turn to the next page. If you look at the top, it is the lady from our video, and she's just talking about examples of doubles facts and some ways to count them, and then showing what is not a doubles fact. Okay, if the add-ins are different and the towers are different, those are not doubles facts. Okay, let's read the directions for numbers 1 and 2. Decide if each set of cubes shows a doubles fact. Circle your answer. Then write an equation to match the cubes. Okay, number 1 they have done for us. Okay, if we look at the cubes, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So, are these two towers the same? No, they are not. So, this cannot be a doubles fact. So, trace the circle around not a doubles fact. Then they want you to write an equation. So, the first tower had 5 cubes. So, trace the 5 cubes. Plus, the second tower had 6 cubes. So, trace the 6. And then if we count these all up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Or we can go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 11 is our answer. Okay, now in number 2, you're doing exactly the same thing. Look at these towers first, circle doubles facts or not doubles fact, and then write the equation. Go ahead and try that on your own. Okay, number 2, if we look at the first tower, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes in the first tower, and 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes in the second tower. So, are they the same? Yes. So, yes, this could be a doubles fact. All right, let's write our equation. First tower had 4 in it, so we will write 4 plus, how many are in the second tower? 4. Okay, now to get our sum, you can count up each cube, or you can count by twos. Let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Now, boys and girls, doubles facts are facts that you should be able to do in your head. You should be able to look at a doubles fact and know the answer right away. So make sure you practice those at home, please. Look at the next page, please. Your homework today. You need to do numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can also do 7, 8, 9, and 10 at the bottom. Those should not be too difficult. Be careful of number 8. They have the equal sign on the other side and the sum box on the other side. Don't let it fool you. Okay? The first 4 are just like we did on the page before. All right, when you are finished with that, you can do your extra practice if you would like. Page 170, bunch of story problems for you that have to do with doubles facts. You can do 171, and you can also do 172. When you get done with that extra practice, please do your quick check on the Savas website. Please do not forget and get behind on those. That would not be good. All right, thank you. Have a good day.